Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 11 and today I'll show you how to put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's turn it off by holding the power key. Select power off. Once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. It looks like we do need to let go of the power key once you see the Mi logo. And there we go. So as you can see, main menu, MIUI recovery. So that is the recovery mode on this phone. And to navigate through this recovery mode, you will need to use volume keys. As you can see, volume down goes down and up goes up. And power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, options here are fairly limited, so we can reboot the device, perform a factory reset of the device, or connect with Mi Assistant app. So, like I said, whatever you select, confirm with power key. Let's reboot the system, and there we go. So, as you've seen, that is basically how you would leave this mode. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.